welcome back to my channel. So today we are making the perfect ganache recipe. So let's dive in. For chocolate ganache we just need two ingredients. So first we'll have 200 grams of chopped dark chocolate compound. So here I am using Mordae's dark chocolate compound. Chocolate is now chopped. For the next ingredient we will take 100 grams of Amul fresh cream. In the next step we will heat our cream over a medium flame. Do not let it boil. Now pour the hot cream over your chocolate compound and let it sit undisturbed for 2-3 minutes. After that we will mix our chocolate and the cream together and our ganache is now ready. If we want we can also add a tablespoon of unsalted butter for that extra shine in our ganache. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.